Bamiri, arata, atongoria matiganite na makiri ma andu kuma miena ngurani ni meyumiririe kuheana gitio kiao kia muthia kuri uria wari njorua wa mahenya ma marathon Kelvin Kiptum itura-ini ria Chepkorio gicigo-ini kia ubunge gia KEHERI-INI South County-ini ya Elgeyo Marakwet. Hindi ya igongona riri mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto ni acakaite na bamiri no akiuga Kenya ni yuritwo ni mundu urari wa bata na urari baruthi wa bururi uri urari rukitie bendera ya bururi nginyanagia gacumbiri-ini na kuhotithia Kenya gutamburika na thi yothe kwa kihoya ateng'eri aria makanyita itemi mahenya-ini ma marathon ma Paris mwaka uyu ukirutaniria niguo kuhe Kiptum gitio kia mwanya.
Since we have you, our athletes, keep Kenya on the world map. We want you to make Paris an Olympics of Kevin Kiptum.
President NIAUGITE THIRIKARI yake NIIKORAGWO igite KEHERI-INI ciringi mirioni 750 cia kung'ethanira na ndawa cia kuongerera icoka hinya kuri ateng'eri na uguo kuhotithia Kenya kweherio gatagati-ini ka mabururi maria mahuritwo mukana ma ateng'eri ao kunyita itemi mashindano-ini.
Kenya ilikuwa katika orodha ya nchi ambazo zingepigwa marufuku. I am very happy that we complied and Kenya today is off the list of countries to be banned for doping.
Ihinda-ini riu president ni eritheirie mutumia wa mutigaire Kiptum nyumbegi ya uikaro guku naguo muingi wa mwena uyu kirithirio gwakwo kwa iharo itiganite cia kuhuthirwo ni ateng'eri cia gukuriria taranda ciao gwakwo gwa thoko ya milioni 50 undu umwe na waki wa nyumba cia raithi.
Hii kiwanja tutatengeneza. Kiwanja ya Kamarin tutatengeneza, kiwanja ya Iten tutatengeneza, ile ya Eldoret tutatengeneza. Hizo zote we are bringing the sports fund law to parliament so that we can amend to eliminate all the other things that were inadvertently put, that is compromising the fund.
Hamwe na atongoria aria magire na mweke wa kwari igongona-ini riri ni munini wa president Rigathi Gachagua, minister munene Musalia Mudavadi, magavana matiganite, maseneta, abunge hamwe na atongoria angi ni moritie ateng'eri magitagirwo na gutigirira kio kiao gitinurira thi.
Wale wanariadha wote ambaye wataenda Olympics to honor this great son here.
We continue to rally behind you so that peace and security and stability will anchor the opportunities that abound amongst our people.
Kiptum for me was like a son. Kiptum has also unified our country in life as well as in death.
I have already done a legislative proposal ya kuamend the Kenya Heroes Act of 2014. Hawa watu waweze kupatiwa protection.
Kelvin Kiptum ahurukire tariki 11 mweri uyu mari hamwe na nyafara wake Gervais Hakizimana thutha wa gukuruhanio mutino-ini wa barabara mwena wa Kaptagat.